Hi friends, welcome to Nischala's Kitchen. Today I'm excited to share with you a classic South Indian dish, stuffed brinjal curry. It goes great with white rice, pulao or even biryanis. It's not just South Indian cuisine, it's a renowned Indian dish known by different names across various states. Stay tuned as I walk you through the easy steps to create the delicious recipe. Now let's start the preparation. Take 1 spoon of peanuts and dry roast them. See, I'm just dry roasting them, did not add any oil to it. And 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. To the same pan, add quarter spoon of methi seeds and fry them nicely. You will be noticing a nice aroma coming from these seeds when they are fried. Into the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and fry them until you hear them crackle. Once you start hearing the crackle sound, it's an indication that sesame seeds are fried perfectly. Here I am using white sesame seeds. You can also take black sesame seeds also. Once you hear the crackle sound, add quarter spoon of zira into the same pan and give it a good mix and fry. Now we are going to add few pieces of peeled dry coconut pieces. Just take a small piece of coconut, peel off the skin, cut them into pieces like this and add it to the same pan. Fry them until the raw smell fades away, and you can also notice that the coconut pieces would gradually change the color. Until that stage, fry these ingredients. Keep them aside until they cool down and then add them into the mixie jar. Now, into the same mixie jar, add 9 to 10 peeled garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, few coriander leaves, and 1 tablespoon of tamarind juice. For 1 tablespoon of tamarind juice, I took a small gooseberry sized tamarind and took juice out of it. Now, make a fine paste of these ingredients and take it into a bowl. Now, into the same paste, add salt as per the taste and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. You can even add a little more and also add 1 tablespoon of soaked chana dal and 1 cup of finely chopped onions and also 2 pinches of asafoetida. Now mix all these ingredients well and keep it ready for the filling. This is the filling that we have prepared for our stuffed brinjal curry. Here, spice levels you can adjust according to your taste. You can just increase them and decrease them as per your taste levels. Now, let's cut the brinjals and keep it ready. First, while we choose the brinjals for stuffed brinjal curry, the brinjals must be really fresh and they must be in the same size. Now, slit the brinjal into four. So, I'm just making two cuts. Cut them and place them in the salt water. Cut all the brinjals and place them in the water just as I have shown here. Now, after all the brinjals are prepared like this, we have to fill the stuffing that we have prepared. See, take the brinjal and stuff the brinjal nicely with the mix that we have prepared and kept it ready. Stuff all the brinjals that we have slit and kept ready. See, the same way. We have to be filling them with good amount of stuffing. We have prepared a stuffing that is sufficient for the brinjals that we have taken. See, the next one also I am filling it in the same way. Another best part of this stuffed brinjal is today I am going to show you how to make this brinjal in pressure cooker. We will not be using the pan at all. So let's start. Turn on the stove, place pressure cooker and add oil to it. This will require a generous amount of oil, so be generous when adding it. Now, when the oil is hot, add all the brinjals that we have stuffed and kept ready. See, place them one by one into the oil. Now, after placing all the brinjals, be very gentle and just try to move them with spatula like how I'm showing in the video. Do not stir these brinjals with spatula. If you stir, all the stuffing will come out and the proper masala that has to go to the brinjals will not be going in. Now, place the stuffing that is left out after filling the brinjals. Our gravy for this curry will be coming from this particular stuffing only. After adding the stuffing also, gently mix the curry once so that the stuffing that is on top will be cooked nicely. Now add 1 glass of water to our curry and also add a little amount of finely chopped coriander leaves. Now add 1 spoon of garam masala powder. A small clipping got missed while I was adding water. So just add 1 glass of water, that will be sufficient for our curry to get cooked. After adding garam masala powder, give it a good mix. See, be very gentle while you mix it. And now put the pressure cooker and pressure cook it until 2 whistles. That's it. Our delicious stuffed brinjal curry is ready. Easy, isn't it? We just have to prepare a simple stuffing and cook them in the pressure cooker. I hope you'd like the recipe, and if you'd like it, do share it with your friends and family members. And do let me know in the comments section how it turned out for you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do hit on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching Nestela's Kitchen. Bye everyone.